Hey man.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Not a whole lot.
How you doing?
Keep finding these things all over the place, don't
Yeah.
you? I'm pretty happy that Randy gave me a call on this old 55 truck. You don't see the 55 in this body style very often. And this body style is real popular anyways, the 47 to 55. And we do really well with them. And on this truck, I'm really not sure what route we'll go on it. With it not having a motor and transmission in it, it's a perfect candidate for someone to put an LS motor in or whatever they want to do. We may put some cool logos on it to match the patina the truck's already got. But either way, like I said, I really like this truck. It's a cool find, and we'll be able to do well with it.
But anyway, this is the one I called you about, and it's got some good bones. I mean, it's you know, it does have a little bit of rust here and there, but it ain't all rusted out, ragged out.
Yeah.
And
you say it's a 54 or?
55.
Oh, it's a 55.
And here's the good deal. I do have a title.
Oh yeah.
So
yeah, that's rare in itself. You don't see a lot of 55s either.
Yeah.
I mean, they made both body styles that year,
yeah,
so it's
yeah.
kind of neat.
Yeah, I had that belly button grill in it, and don't see a lot of those.
Yeah, have a motor or anything in it?
Does not have motor transmission. It was a running driving truck. The guy I got it off of told me that it was a running driving. He had put a V8 in it.
Oh, yeah.
And it does. I do have a transmission that was in it.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway.
I know you talked about a price over the phone on it. Is that negotiable at all, or?
Well, I think I need to stay where I'm at on that. Those things you just can't find. You can't find them everywhere, and they're getting harder to find. And
you say that, but I've just bought two off of you here recently.
Well, I kind of knew where they were hid, see.
Yeah.
And but what I like about this one is you're not going to have to run down the title.
Yeah.
You know, and you definitely got something to work with.
Right.
So.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely like the fact that it's a 55 instead rather than the 54. I mean, same body style, but you just don't see. And I know people are looking for that 55 in this body style.
Yeah. Yeah, it needs a little bit of work, but I mean, you know, the bones are good on it, and the frame hasn't been altered, jacked with, and all that, and
I guess it does roll and steer fine as far as loading it up.
You know, these trucks are just, I figured you'd have a home for it, and or may want to, you know, whatever you're going to do with it, but just this body style to me right now seems to be just, yeah, it's hotter than fish grease, you know.
Yeah, it's a pretty popular body style right now. I brought the trailer, and it's a little cool out here. It doesn't, no sense in really just keep back and forth on it if you're pretty solid on that price.
Yeah, I think on this one I need to stick where I'm at. I gave quite a bit last time on the green truck, so.
Yeah, you did.
Anyway.
I'll go ahead and jump on this one. Like I said, you found another one for me, so maybe hopefully in the future we can keep on doing this.
Oh yeah, yeah. I know where some more are.
That worked out good then. All right, well, I'll get you some cash and let's get this thing loaded up.
All right, sounds good. I just do this kind of hobby. Everybody's got their own hobbies, and fishing, hunting, and I also fish and hunt, but I'm just up and down the road so much that I see a lot of these old cars sitting in barns and you know, behind people's houses, and just stop and ask them if they want to sell them, and that's kind of how I got started doing it. When I was in high school, I had a '67 Camaro. I guess that's back in the early '80s. So since the early '80s, been messing with cars and hot rods and old vehicles. I really got to know Lance, I guess, just through car deals and see him at car shows and stuff like that. And I always thought what he was doing, the kind of original patina type stuff, is what I like, and I knew that's what he was doing, and so we got that in common.